So we had some pretty bad news happening around the world right now. We have Iran shooting or sending 500 drones to attack Israel, and we saw a big downtrend for Bitcoin. We saw a big smash, and let me encourage you guys here: pan out a little bit, because let's go back to Russia and Ukraine. When that started, Bitcoin had plummeted, right? And that was the mark of the bottom of Bitcoin at that time. And then we proceeded to go up for 4 months, pretty much straight, for 40% gain on Bitcoin. And now I would expect this to happen as well with Bitcoin. What's happening right now? A lot of people are freaking out. It's just panic sellers. And keep in mind that during wartime, and this is the unfortunate scenario during wartime, is that countries print a lot of currency. And this is not going to be any different. So whatever's happening out there, just know that the U.S. is printing tons and tons of currency because they're the allies in Israel, and so that is what is going to be happening. Regardless of what your political stance is, which side you are on. I'm just letting you know that countries print a lot of currency during wartime, and guess what benefits from that? Bitcoin, because you know what, monetary inflation is what happens during wartime, and that's what you get. So that's why it's just one of the many reasons why we are in Bitcoin. So what do I expect now? Well, first off, I did a tweet at Sir Crypto Tips. If you want to follow me on Twitter, I did a tweet not like 2 days ago or before this happened, saying that I would expect a drop within the high 50s, the mid 50s, $50,000 range. And I expected this drop, before this even happened. So this is totally normal. Keep in mind that we are in a bull market. Nothing goes up straight in a straight line. So, I would really expect 30% pullbacks as being normal. I would be a little worried if we don't get 30% pullbacks, because simply it would mean that bull market is probably a little more short-lived than I even think it's going to be, which I think we are going to top the later portion of the year, like quarter four, October, November, December, whatever. And keep in mind, also, I want to encourage you that just because of what has happened around the world, it has nothing to do with the bull market. The bull market is fully intact. It's fully primed. And we're about to experience a crazy leg up, in my opinion, to $80,000, $90,000, $100,000. And it's going to be a lonely ride, because, I look at Twitter and going, oh my gosh, a lot of people are panicking right now. What's going on here? Like, have they not remembered, like, in the past, guys? Like, I've gone over this many times before, but going through history will really help you out. So 2017, 2018 bull market, we had 30+% pullbacks. And we had the last one before the blow off top to $20,000. We had a 29.5% pullback. This is nothing, guys. Like, this is pathetic. So what do I expect now? I don't know. Short term, I would expect, I hope we have a massive leg down again, just to wipe out all shorts, or all longs, just completely wipe them out. This is over leveraged people. These are gamblers. They don't really belong in this space. I'm talking about people like us. If you're part of our learningcrypto.com member, you will understand that we don't play with leverage. We buy spot and we hold, and we've done fantastic. And we've done it without stressing about things like the global economy or anything. I told you guys, they're going to be printing currency. All you have to do is buy spot and hold. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe. Let me know below if you think I'm totally wrong. If I'm totally off base, I'm all ears. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.